Hey guys, my name is Proctor and you are watching The Proctors Live On, a new YouTube channel that me and my family just created. And I just wanted to hop on here and give you kind of a synopsis of what this channel is going to be doing and our vision for it and all that. Okay, so this is basically our family channel, which means we're going to be showing a lot of like parent tips, DIY stuff around the house, some of our Airbnb cruise and Disney vacation experiences, just so people can have takeaways on what they can do and, you know, things they might want to do. But one of the big things we're going to do on this channel is the remodel of this farmhouse that we just acquired that was in really bad shape. And we're doing it all DIY, all thrifty, with stuff we get for really cheap or even free. So if you're into that kind of thing, make sure you subscribe so you can see us redo this farmhouse. And we're also on the path to becoming semi-self-sufficient. So we have some chickens and we're planning on getting some other livestock and starting a garden this spring. So if you're into all that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe. We don't have any subscribers as of now, but that's okay because we just started. So consider being the first, second, or third subscriber. We really appreciate it and we're gonna make good content for you. Peace.